Hello, children! This week, we're learning about the letter N. Can you think of words that start with the letter N? Good! You're right! Newspaper. Nuts. There are lots of words that start with the letter N. What is Frère Jacques doing against this tree in the middle of the day? That's right, he's taking a nap. Our color of the week is turquoise. What can you think of that is the color turquoise? Water can be turquoise. Some stones are turquoise. This week, our number is the number 13. It's very easy to draw the number 13. And we are also going to write the word 13. See, that was pretty easy. Our shape is a puzzle. You can create a pretty picture by putting all the pieces of a puzzle together one by one. Our sight words are red, run, pretty, and ran. Why don't you try to make some sentences including these words? Have fun and have a great week.